Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bite-Sized PD by Design for Learning. My name is Ed Doherty, and I'm super excited to share with you today a Google Doc add-on called the Highlight Tool. This tool will allow your students to organize information from all over the web, information they copy and paste basically into a Google Doc, and they can use the Highlight Tool to graphically organize all that information, which will assist them in being better writers because the information wouldn't be in a million different papers. It's automatically translated into a separate Google document so they can take all their information and begin writing their paper. So let's check out this awesome tool. All right, so what you see here on the screen is some information that I copy and pasted into a Google Doc. Now, some of this information came from history.com. And some other information came from whitehouse.gov. And as a student, I just copied this information and I pasted it into a Google Doc. Of course, if I wanted to, I could put titles at the top to separate where I found this information. So of course, I could support my work cited later on. So if I was trying to categorize information here, maybe into George Washington's early life, maybe his career, maybe his family life, I want to find and sort that through all different articles pasted on this document here. So of course, my add-ons can be found here, and I already installed the Highlight Tool, and I'm going to click Start. And when you do that, the window pops over to the right, and you can see that I have a highlighter library. From here, I can click and actually tell the system what I'm looking to do. And I can create as many different highlighter libraries as I like. So in this example, I could do biography. And maybe I have red would be early life. And I could choose a different color. So green would be career. And I'll add one more, make that maybe yellow. And this would be end of life. Okay. And when I'm done, I have biography here. I have my early life, career, and end of life. You can see that's a little bit darker of a gray than these two, which means that's the one I'm selected. You can also see it here, currently selected biography. And when I'm ready, I simply click Save. And the pop-up window to the right will now show my categories of color and what they translate to. So as I'm reading through these copy and paste documents from various websites, I simply can just use my cursor and highlight the information that belongs in one of these three categories. So let's just take an example here. George Washington was commander-in-chief. Okay, that sounds a lot like career. So I'm going to highlight that, come over to the right-hand side and click career. You'll see it highlighted that information with green, since that was career. Keep on going. The son of a prosperous planter, Washington was raised in Colonial Virginia. Okay, so that's probably early life. Oh, he worked as a surveyor. Okay, maybe that would be red. Keep on going. Maybe down here, April 30th. Okay, born in 1732. I can highlight this information here and click early life. Let's eventually just click something as end of life here. So maybe this is about his family and towards the end of his life, what he did after being president and commander-in-chief. And I'll simply just click end of life and it will highlight in yellow. So as many documented pages as I want here, I can go through, I can identify them as red, green, or yellow in this case, which is early life, career, or end of life. And when I'm done, I have two options. I can extract my highlights by sequence or by color. And my favorite is by color. And when I click on that, it says, do I want to put it in a new document, a current document, or I can actually specify which document I want to put it in. For this example, I'm just going to put it in the current document and click extract. And there it is. Now I can come down, I see my labeling key and my information color coded. So everything I highlighted early life, career, and end of life. So super easy tool to use to identify information within a document. You can use this for fact and opinion. you can use this for identifying information biography like we did, any kind of definitions, words that you're talking about as sight words. You name it, you have that library of highlighter tools that you can create and customize so your students can conduct the work that you're looking for them to complete. The best part about it is that every library is saved. So once they create it once, they can always pull it back up using that tool and complete that work again. So the highlight tool is one of my favorite doc add-ons. Hopefully it's something you can use in your ELA class. This is a session of Bite Size PD.